In today's video, guys, I'm talking about the actual all-new iPhone 13's box itself. That's right, the actual box. This year, Apple is scrapping the whole plastic cover over the box in order for you guys to actually tear off that protective tear, to unwrap the wrapping and then unbox the phone. What they're actually doing this year is that they're actually having no plastic wrap around it, and then when you turn over the box to reveal the back of it, in this next photo, I'm going to show you guys what's actually back there and therefore how to actually unbox the iPhone 13. So there you have it, guys. You go ahead and use that tab on the back of the iPhone 13 box to rip it open. I believe there's one at the top and one at the bottom. So you have two tabs to tear, and then you're free to go ahead and unbox your iPhone 13.